Hello, this is How To Bob, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the headlight bulb in a 2008 Chevrolet Equinox. I'm going to start out by removing this chrome bar that's across the front, and there is a few clips behind the bar. You have to locate where the clips are and gently pry out on them. They'll snap out of place once you find where they're located and go all the way across. The whole thing needs to be removed. And once that's removed, you can see where the clips are located. So you generally want to get in that area to pry out from the grill. And there's a few of them all the way along here. Next, I'm going to remove this screw, and to do that, I'm going to use a 7mm socket. And then the next one is also a 7mm socket. Now the next one I'm going to use is going to be a 10mm socket, and it's down in here. See if I can get you a better view of that one, all the way down in there. It's on there a little tighter. It has some Loctite on there, so it's going to be a little more difficult to turn, but I'll get it out with my socket, and you can see on the bolt here there's some Loctite, so that's what makes it a little more difficult. Now there's a tab up on this piece here that you have to pull out. And once you get that out, you can gently lift up on the headlight assembly and work its way out here. And we got it out. Now all I have to do is push on the little tab and pull out the plug for the headlight. You can see the little tab right here. Just disconnects from headlight. Next, there's a ring, a locking ring. I just twist that counterclockwise, and then I can pull my headlight out. This is my old headlight. Got my new one. You can see the tab here is going to go up, and I want to make sure that I don't touch the bulb part of the headlight. I get my locking ring, put it in, and give it a little turn so I get it oriented correctly. Okay. Then I can just push my connector back in, and you can see the little button down here. That goes into the hole here. That's probably the best place when you're putting this back in to start. So I'm going to line those two up and lower the headlight assembly back into position, and I can tell when it's in place when the little tab up on the top lines up. Next, I'm going to start putting my bolts back in reverse order, and I'm going to use the one down here with the 10mm socket and tighten that up, and then I'll put the next one in here, and then the last one up on top here. And I want to tighten those down pretty good. And then I have to put my chrome bar back across the front, and I just push on every location where there's a tab. And it's pretty simple. That's how you replace the headlight or headlight bulb in a 2008 Chevrolet Equinox. I'm How To Bob. If you like these videos, please subscribe, and I thank you for watching.